everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I thought I would share a quick DIY that you could do with some old decor that maybe no longer fits in with your current color scheme. And so I'm taking some old pumpkins. Now these I purchased on clearance. I think for all of them I paid like less than $2, and so they're kind of a mix of colors. And I'm just going to be painting them with some chalk paint and some different acrylic paints too. It's pretty much what I love about this project is that you can customize it to whatever colors you like. If you like more of the traditional orange colors, you know, some of these are that harsh orange, so you could definitely go that way. It's all about your personal preference. And so I'm just going in with some of the colors that I think will fit in nicely with my fall color scheme. And then later on, I'm going to be removing the stems from all of these and painting them. That's why I didn't really worry about taping those off, because they will not stay the color, or need to stay the color that they are. And so stay tuned for that. done painting my pumpkins, I did go ahead and remove those stems, and I'm just going to be putting them in this little foam board that I had. You could use a box or anything that similar to this. And then of course I'm going to be spray painting these with my Rust-Oleum metallic finish in the color gold. I just really love the finish that it gives. So I decided to go with that. And pretty much after spray painting the stems, I mean, you could stop at this point if you like more of a monochromatic look, but I was really inspired by some of the pumpkins I had seen at Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to be giving my pumpkins a little bit more interest and just kind of experimenting with colors a bit. And that's what I love again about this project, is that you can tailor it to your own colors and color scheme and give a really nice one-of-a-kind look. So unfortunately, I did lose a lot of footage that I had on my SD card, and part of that was how I did these particular pumpkins. Now for these, I just went over the paint with a darker finish. So for these I chose navy, then I just sprinkled it with some flour, let it sit for a little bit, and then took a brush and removed the excess. And then for some other pumpkins, I did kind of do a speckling effect, which I just simply used an old toothbrush with some brown paint. And I do recommend doing this somewhere like in a sink or, you know, because it can get a bit messy. And then just do the same thing over the top of that pumpkin as well. Now for some of my pumpkins, I did decide to seal them in some Rust-Oleum matte clear spray paint. That is optional. It will make it a little bit duller. And here's that inspiration that I got from the garland at my Hobby Lobby. Even though it is beautiful for $22, and also this scatter, you know, I do really like my version and how it came out. It looks great in my decor. If you would like to see how I used these pumpkins in my living room, please make sure you check out my fall clean and decorate video. I will also leave that in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.